DoorDash provides Dashers with a red card for making payments at certain merchants. This physical card contains all the payment information you need for transactions. As of 2025, accessing your card number is simple through the DoorDash Dasher app. The process has been streamlined with the recent app redesign to make card information readily available. Once you navigate to the red card section, you'll need to authenticate your identity. The app supports multiple authentication methods, including PIN entry, biometric data like fingerprint or face recognition, and traditional passwords. After successful authentication, you can view all your card details. This includes the complete 16-digit card number, expiration date, CVV security code, and the cardholder name associated with your account. The streamlined process ensures quick access to your card information whenever you need it for transactions. The enhanced app design makes this information readily available while maintaining security through proper authentication. DoorDash employs multiple layers of security to protect your card information and ensure safe transactions. The platform uses encryption and tokenization to protect your card details, implements limited viewing times, restricts screenshots, and automatically logs you out after periods of inactivity. Biometric authentication adds an extra layer of security. The app supports Touch ID, Face ID, and PIN protection to ensure only you can access your card information. Card tokenization converts your sensitive card details into secure tokens. This process ensures that your actual card number is never stored directly, providing an additional layer of protection against data breaches. You have two card options: the physical red card for specific merchant orders and in-person payments, and the virtual red card for online orders and contactless payments with instant availability. Contactless payments have seen tremendous growth, with a 78% increase in virtual card usage since 2023. This growth reflects the enhanced security, convenience, and wide merchant acceptance of contactless payment methods. DoorDash's comprehensive security measures and flexible payment options provide Dashers with a secure and convenient solution for all their delivery payment needs.